Struggling to decide between Beacons and Gumroad for your creator journey? Let's break down which platform is your perfect match in just 90 seconds. First, Beacon shines as a powerhouse link in bio tool. Think of it as your digital business card. It's incredibly easy to set up. Just create an account using your email or Google, and you're in. Its drag-and-drop interface lets you arrange links, embed content like videos, and collect email signups. Customizing is a breeze. You can match your brand with themes and fonts, and offers tons of integrations with tools you probably already use. Now, let's switch gears to Gumroad, the go-to for selling digital products directly to your audience. Setting up a product is as simple as adding a name, description, and price, then uploading your file, ebook, course, or software. Gumroad handles all the payments and delivery, plus their checkout process is super smooth. Integrate with marketing tools to boost your sales and track your earnings all in one place. So here's the deal: use Beacons if you want a dynamic link in bio to connect your audience to all your content, or if you're looking to grow your community and drive traffic. Choose Gumroad if your primary goal is to sell digital products with ease, thanks to its simple selling tools and direct payment processing. Ultimately, your choice depends on your content strategy. Consider what you're creating, where you want to drive your audience, and how you want to monetize. Then pick the platform that matches your needs. Good luck, creators!